The financial crisis had a limited effect on the Sultanate of Oman. How did it impact Oman Arab Bank?
The financial crisis, it affects very slightly the government and the banking sector in general, actually, because the government also, it's kept in a very strong financial position, and also they are ready to support any banks who is facing crisis. Therefore, all the banks actually, were in a very good shape and they have not been affected. For Oman Arab Bank, even we are not asked for any help in liquidity from the government because we are very liquid. Our portfolio is very clean and very solid, and we don't have actually any liquidity problem in the financial crisis. Our portfolio was one of the cleanest portfolio in the banking sector.
And indeed, you've received some upgrades from Moody's in some areas.
Yes, even Moody rely on our solidity on our portfolio actually, and also with our partnership with the Arab Bank, which give us a very good support in our business in Oman. Therefore, they are grade up from A2 to A1, and also in the long term they are give us stable rather than positive.
Taking the long-term view, what do you see as the most promising sectors going forward?
The Ministry of Industry and Commerce, now they are creating a system with the banks, and they are choice two banks to adhere or to adopt such a system. Our bank, Oman Arab Bank, and the Bank Muscat actually, who is entitled now to cooperate with the Ministry of Industry and Commerce to create a program and system to help the SMEs in the Sultanate. Oman Arab Bank already financing the SMEs actually, and we have in our portfolio about $250 million giving to the SMEs, and we are not reluctant to give the SMEs, but we put it in a very professional way and in a very secured procedure.
Yes, SMEs are a big market for you. How do you support them towards the goals of profitability and growth?
We cannot deny that the SME finance is a risky business, but now the Ministry of Industry and Commerce award that, and they will have a coordination with the commercial banks to have 50% of the risk to be secured by the government, and 50% will be paid by the bank. They are supporting those people who has financially cannot get any facility from the bank because they don't have financial statements just to give the bank that they are strong enough to give them money actually. But now the Ministry of Industry and Commerce will make it very easy for them, and they will give guarantee to the banks for 50% of any loan you provide it to them.
You place great value on human capital, and you have a very low staff turnover.
First of all, you have to take their loyalty. You have to give them secured and to feel them happy that they are satisfied. Oman Arab Bank consider the staff as the real assets for them. We train them, we give them the correct fundamental of banking business, of banking sector, and also personally, my door is open for any employee from any level to solve any problem he raised for me, either personal or in his work. You have to give him secured and satisfied to obtain his loyalty for the business. Therefore, the turnover is very low in our bank.
Finally, you have immense experience in the Middle East, in the banking sector. It's a region which is undergoing change at the moment. What's your advice to investors who are looking closely at the Middle East region?
And I think that all the investors, they are looking for the secured atmosphere to invest their money in any region they choose to. And I believe that the Middle East region now is more secure than any other region. And from my experience, most of the investment which we put it outside the region caused a loss for us more than what we invested inside the region. Therefore, I advise the investor to put their money where they are available, not put the money outside, because in the region they are controlling their investment and watching the market, and they can control it anytime they want. But outside the country, it becomes too late sometimes to adjust what they want.
So the message is, whatever is happening, there's a strong hand on the investment.
Yes. I think that the investment, either in the shares and the equity or in the real estate in the Middle East, I think is a very profitable investment.
Abdul Kader Askalan, thank you very much.
Thank you very much to have me here, and I appreciated what you did for us, actually.